Samuel Johnson. Samuel Johnson was born on 18 September 1709, Lichfield, England. He was died on 13 December 1784, London, England. He was a poet, essayist, critic, lexicographer, biographer, and moral thinker. He was born in Lichfield, Staffordshire, to Michael Johnson, a bookseller, and Sarah Ford. He was a bright but poor student. He studied at Pembroke College, Oxford, 1728, but had to leave after 1 year because of financial difficulties. Despite this, he educated himself by reading widely and deeply. He faced many hardships, poverty, illness, and depression. He tried teaching and even ran a small school, but it failed. Later, he moved to London in search of better opportunities and began writing for magazines. His major works are a dictionary of the English language, The Rambler. Rambler was a series of essays on morality, literature, and human nature. The Idler, similar to the Rambler but simpler and lighter in style. A philosophical tale about the search for happiness, and preface to Shakespeare, a work of literary criticism, and lives of the English poets. And he believed literature should teach moral values and truth. His criticism is based on reason, experience, and common sense. He was fair and practical, never extreme in his opinions. He is known as Dr. Johnson after receiving an honorary doctorate from Oxford. He is famous for his wit, conversation, and wisdom. He was religious, moral, and kind-hearted, though sometimes rough in manner. His friend James Russell wrote a famous biography of him, The Life of Samuel Johnson, considered one of the best biographies ever written. He died in 1784 in London. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, a place of honor for great English writers. He is known as the greatest English critic of the 18th century, the compiler of the first great English dictionary, a moral essayist who combined intelligence, honesty, and faith. His work influenced generations of writers, critics, and thinkers. Thanks for watching.